Imagine you buy low and want to sell high. That's trading. Your goal is to maximize profits. We'll also dive into the 1-2 risk-reward strategy. Support and resistance are key concepts in trading. Support is where prices stop falling. In this video, we'll explore how to set take profit using support and resistance. Resistance is where prices stop rising. Let's break it down. This is perfect for beginners in Forex and crypto trading. Understanding these helps in making better trading decisions. Look for recent highs and lows. First, identify support and resistance levels on your chart. Draw horizontal lines to mark these levels. These will be your reference points. Next, you need to set your take profit. Determine where you think the price might go. Use the resistance level for selling or profit taking. Set your take profit slightly below this level. This means for every unit of risk, you aim for double the reward. This gives room for price fluctuations. Now, let's talk about the 1-2 risk-reward strategy. If you risk $10, aim for a $20 profit. This strategy ensures that even if you lose a few trades, you'll still be profitable overall. Here's an example. Suppose you buy a crypto asset at $100. You spot resistance at $120. Set your take profit at $119. Your risk is the distance from your entry to your stop loss. If your stop loss is at 90 days, you risk $10. Your take profit at $119 gives you a reward of 9 times. That's a 1-1.9 reward ratio, close to 1.2. Common mistakes. Many traders set unrealistic profit targets. Others forget to adjust their take profit as the price moves. Always be flexible. Monitor the market to adapt your strategy. Practical tips. Always do thorough research before trading. Use demo accounts to practice. Stick to your plan. Emotions can lead to poor decisions. To summarize, identifying support and resistance levels is crucial. Setting take profit near resistance maximizes gains. The 1-2 risk-reward strategy helps manage risk effectively. Ready to improve your trading skills? Start applying these strategies today. Like and subscribe for more trading tips and education. Happy trading!